as soon as you get power. Alright guys, so today we went ahead and we flew the kit Fox, FreedomFox from Flite Test. So I'm going to go ahead and let the video kind of speak for itself, more or less. And then I'll come back here at the end and give you a few thoughts that I have on the aircraft. So enjoy the flight portion, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you saw in that video, it flies really good. I did leave a couple of poor takeoffs, just so you guys can kind of see. It does have a really bad tendency for ground looping. However, it's not terrible. Basically what we found out is you goose that power, get her in and get that flying speed right away, and it goes straight up. Not a problem whatsoever. I did notice also with the flaps down, trying to do some slow flight, you need to give it a lot of power to keep it from, from stalling and losing altitude. But then you start to run into an issue with the wingtips starting to lose a little bit of lift, and it starts to kind of waggle quite a bit and then pulls to one side. So just be aware of those types of tendencies. But other than that, man, that plane, it just, I didn't need any trim, guys. I took off. Trims were at 0 still, so really nice, really good. Not a problem whatsoever. So would I recommend that plane? If it was $199, maybe. But at 250 bucks, I'm not sure it's really worth that. But it is a good flying airplane. If you have a grass field, it would be even better. I have a paved runway, so those big tires really don't do a whole lot of good on that. But all in all, though, it is a good flying airplane. It looks beautiful. Here's some additional video from the flying field from today. Enjoy, and I will see you guys next time when we start working again on the Zenith Cruiser. So again, make sure you check out my Teespring store. I do have these t-shirts on for sale. Help support Joe's RC Corner and purchase a t-shirt. The link will be in the description. So I'll see you next time. Keep building and keep flying.